How to delete messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Hold on to the chat you want to delete. And you'll find all these options pop up. You'll find delete in last. Click on delete. Then again click on delete and the message will be deleted. You won't be able to get back the message. You can also simply click on chat, click on three dots on top, and then click on delete chat. These are two methods, and this is how to delete messages on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.